Woo! Yaman na! Babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank TiLTiLan Delicacies for sending us their product and for us to try on. Mind you guys, these are not usual vinegar, no? So first of all, they are made from sugar cane vinegar and they have 3 variants as of now. This is their spicy cane vinegar. This is their premium blend cane vinegar. So these are gourmet cane vinegars. And then the last bottle is garlic flavored cane vinegar. So nag-prepare po ako ng chicharon bulaklak dito para matikman natin isa-isa kung ano yung lasa ng mga produkto nila. So first off, dun tayo dun sa pinaka-gentle. So this is their garlic flavored cane vinegar. So let's taste it. First off, yung suka nila is not overpowered. It doesn't bite your tongue, parang ganun. So this is their premium blend cane vinegar. I wanna try that one. I'm gonna give a good dip. Yeah, looks really, appetizing. Wow, I like it. Alright, so last to taste yung kanilang spicy cane vinegar. Let's taste it. Woo! Yaman na! Let's talk about some information about TiLTiLan Delicacies has an advocacy to help kababayan natin from San Simon, no? So in production po has become their livelihood, the source of their income. So they started producing these delicacies as a giveaway, and in 2018 they received an overwhelming request to produce more. So from 300 bottles per week na production, they went up to 1,000 bottles per week na production. Okay, so let's talk about the price. This one is 100 pesos, this one is 120 pesos, and this is just 110 pesos. Very affordable for a gourmet vinegar such as this. So there you have it, guys. If you are interested to know more about this, check out their fan page. It's gonna be flashing on your screens right now. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, please guys, stay safe and have a good day. Peace. Bye-bye.